This is a video of the 2011 Yamaha super high output SHO 225 horsepower motor, 20-inch shaft. I'm going to try to get a close-up here. It's very clean. You can see virtually no corrosion. This is the starboard side. Trim works. This comes with controls. Midsection is very clean. You can see just very clean, a little bit of scratching on the bottom, not bad. The cowling is super clean. Can't reach up here far enough, not much to see up there. Very, very clean down inside. No corrosion that we can find anywhere. The head's up inside. Can't really get around much to the front where I am, but anyway, very clean motor, very nice shape. All the paint and stuff is good on it. There's the lower unit. It comes with controls. It does not come with a prop, but it does come with the remote controls. Here is the hood over here. Hood is really excellent. There's no cracks, but as I'll show you in just a minute, the top is faded, but the hood itself paint's real nice, and it looks good. The only flaw in this, as you can see, is the paint on the top is burned out a bit. Okay, that's sort of a walk around of 225 horsepower SHO Yamaha 2011 motor. Runs good and very clean. It recently had a new water pump put in it, new impeller, so that should be good to go. All right.